Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix OnePlus Watch 4 black screen. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and try to wake the screen up. If it's not working, as you guys can see, it did work. But if it's not working for you, then I would recommend force restarting. And to force restart, all you do here is press the button at the top and the bottom. So you press two side buttons and you keep on holding it. Ignore the Gemini popping up. We see the menu right here, and soon we should be redirected where our screen just goes black, and we should see the OnePlus logo appearing. Now we can let go, and as you guys can see, now it is turning on. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done, because it's a very long process. It's around 20 to 30 seconds. And as a last resort, of course, head over to the watch center. So whenever your device can get support from OnePlus, make sure to get it. It's very important because sometimes if the issue just persists, then watch can be dead, and we want to make sure that it stays for as long as possible. So make sure to take it to the authorized device service center. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.